If you began investing in 2008, you have already experienced the longest bull market in history, which was accompanied by the COVID-19 pandemic and the 2008 global financial crisis. The next crypto bull run is unavoidable, and now is the ideal time for Cardano to set the price and value. However, the cryptocurrency market is unpredictable. Therefore, can we safely draw this conclusion regarding Cardano? Despite many regions of the world having recently finished their summer, the cryptocurrency market is still frigid. Some, particularly for those who lost out in the final quarter of 2021, have seen the most recent crypto winter as a purchasing opportunity. Others who had lost their mettle were driven by panic to thin out or sell their bags. The following bull run, however, is eagerly awaited. Bitcoin was at the center of the last cryptocurrency bull run, since Bitcoin's movement determines how other currencies rise and fall. Analysts contend that numerous on-chain causes, such as regulatory worries, market volatility, or 2011 propelled Bitcoin in 4-year cycles. Bitcoin experienced its first bull run, climbing from $1 to $32, a spectacular increase of more than 300%. However, as Confucius famously remarked, Bitcoin's greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising each time it does. By November 2011, such astounding Bitcoin prices had already peaked. Prices had dropped back to $2. Although the cryptocurrency industry did not experience any significant bull runs in 2012, Bitcoin nonetheless managed to close the year at $13. The growth was noticeable during the course of a single year. Offshore, stocks and metals won't experience a 650% increase. The peaks and troughs associated with bull cycles and bear markets persisted through the end of 2021 and the first few months of 2022, respectively. A number of cryptocurrency memes mocking Bitcoin's insane price and value rollercoaster ride filled the whole space when it dropped as low as $35,000. The price of Bitcoin reportedly reached an all-time high of $65,000, signaling the beginning of a bull run that has since subsided. Despite these significant variations, Bitcoin has managed to hold onto its title as the biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Most cryptocurrencies typically experience lows, but Cardano ADA appears to be able to withstand the storm. We are currently in a bear market, and many Bitcoin maximalists believe that all bear runs end with bull runs. Although Cardano ADA has had some price volatility, his recent performance has demonstrated that there is hope for the future. There is no question that Cardano ADA will experience the next crypto bull run. But is this assurance in vain? Of course not, then. For the majority of people, Bitcoin is the face of the cryptocurrency market. However, there are tens of thousands of other cryptocurrencies, and the number is only predicted to rise if all of them succeed in attracting investors. If this happens, the cryptocurrency market as a whole may experience a bull run, which may also be influenced by specialized altcoins that stand for particular projects that aim to solve particular problems, or simply bigger and more energy-efficient coins. A rise in interest in altcoins like Cardano, which has been dubbed the Ethereum killer, may even be the cause of the next cryptocurrency bull run. Apparently, says Vitalik Buterin, according to Theory and Creator, bear runs are beneficial for cryptocurrencies since they allow engineers to work on the underlying technology because there is less short-term speculative attention. The next bull run could be fueled by public interest, as the matching growth of a Bitcoin infrastructure could make cryptocurrencies more accessible and usable. This suggests that Cardano will become more valuable as more users and use cases adopt it. Consumers are confident in it, and investors are eager to invest in its financial products. The cryptocurrency bull market will resume, but other causes will be the driving force behind the upswing. Investors have abandoned riskier investments in 2022, though, as the entire crypto market is still collapsing. The crypto sector bore the brunt of the market downturn due to geopolitical tensions, rising inflation, supply chain issues in almost every industry, and other factors. However, it's crucial to remember that Cardano successfully led the crypto bull run, which is an actual phenomenon. Cardinal was prepared to deploy his new hard fork vessel at a future date. With a rise of more than 5% over the last 7 days, the blockchain also put in an admirable performance, outperforming numerous other cryptos with larger market capitalizations, like Ethereum. On September 22nd, the Vassal hard fork, which has been dubbed the miracle the Cardano community has been waiting for, will launch. The development process has been greatly energized by this, and testing has gone without a hitch. The Cardano blockchain smart contract platform will get a significant update with Vassal, claims Input-Output Global Plutus. The enhanced transaction throughput and improved cost-effectiveness offered by the Plutus v2 scripts released with Vassal will dramatically increase the value and power of the Cardano network. Charles Hoskinson, the creator of Cardano, also entered the conversation by tweeting that, despite a recent decline in price, Cardano was at its finest. He claimed that the market's disconnection from reality is a fundamental truth regarding cryptocurrencies. Cardano is stronger than it has ever been, and many other projects are likewise sound, to be honest. It's also intriguing that prominent crypto influencer Dan Gorman, better known by the handle Dello, recently alluded to a potential bull run for a number of coins, including ADA. He claimed that there was a good chance for a price increase soon because the current market circumstances were strikingly similar to the bear market of 2018. Exciting, yes. Additionally, despite the fact that community developments and reports from leaders and influencers look encouraging, some indicators have drawn a picture of ADA that is market value realized value or in VRV ratio, which grew significantly in comparison to the previous week. The fact that the number of daily active addresses has increased since the beginning of August, indicating the presence of users on the network, may be seen as a hint towards a potential spike. In spite of ADH's recent advances, chain transactions and profit are declining, which is negative. Development activity and social volume have also been trending lower, which may limit ADA's ability to advance in the short term, but his advantages are likely to outweigh his disadvantages. In the Bitcoin market, most digital assets have had difficulty showing a good price performance, despite continuing in a decline for a while. The overall profitability of the asset is currently among the lowest levels when compared to Bitcoin or Ethereum, thus the ADA coin is continually trying local resistance levels and aiming for a quick rebound. Even though September has only begun, Cardano's dynamic ecosystem has already witnessed a number of releases and additions, including the hard fork's validation as a vessel, the introduction of the Zero Wallet, and the accomplishment of the ADA finance audit. Since the underlying value of networks will be the defining factor during the following market growth cycles, many industry analysts think that initiatives like Cardano will succeed during the upcoming bull run. Additionally, speculative assets like Shiba too will lose their appeal to users. Well, if markets become significantly overbought, this might occur. And once more, given these stories, it is hard to question about Dano's exceptional potential. But what will happen to the price of the Cardano and ADA coins before the cryptocurrency market experiences a bull run? Well, it is currently impossible to forecast. However, a few things could keep Cardano warm during this crypto winter. Most likely, a strong recovery strategy and ongoing local opposition will be used. The 50-day moving average appears to be the most typical barrier for cryptocurrencies going through a downward spiral, and ATA is aiming to break through it. The next resistance level for Cardano will be at the price of 70 cents if it succeeds in doing so. Additionally, analysts appear confident that Cardano is a fantastic long-term investment due to some of the most cutting-edge characteristics in the sector. The planned date for the next hard fork is one of the primary drivers of the escalating excitement in the Cardano community. A huge amount of attention from crypto whales resulted from the social volume being at all-time highs along with price growth and favorable market sentiment. It's vital to keep in mind that we also need to take into account the role of a few significant investors when predicting which cryptocurrencies will increase in value in 2022. When compared to other investors, crypto whales have an excessively huge ownership, which makes them capable of starting a bull run. Cardano, these whales have been a blessing for ADA throughout the past 2 days. Well, the number of transactions was increasing. This demonstrates that they were taking the news seriously during the vessel refit. Major analysts are confident that Cardano would do brilliantly during the upcoming bull run because of the network's great features and intrinsic worth. But in the end, are you still dubious about the likelihood of a cryptocurrency bull run? Winter goes on till spring, so that should be the end of it. The entire cryptosphere will pay attention to Cardano. But what do you think about this? Let's discuss them below in the comment area. I am sincerely grateful to each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. We want to be clear that this is not a platform created specifically to provide financial advice, and we are not encouraging you to invest in any specific company. This is merely a delivery method for educational materials to be brought to your door. We'll see you soon on the top news site for cryptocurrencies, Cardano Insider.